Imagine a world where we can reverse chronic diseases, repair damaged organs, and even conquer conditions like Parkinson's and diabetes. The key to this transformative future lies in one of science's greatest breakthroughs, stem cell therapy. In today's video, we'll uncover how stem cells are rewriting the rules of medicine. Stem cells are the building blocks of life. These incredible cells have the unique ability to develop into specialized tissues, like neurons in the brain or insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. But their true potential lies in their ability to repair and regenerate damaged tissues. For decades, researchers have envisioned using stem cells to treat debilitating diseases. Today, that dream is closer than ever, with over 100 clinical trials currently testing their potential for conditions like cancer, heart disease, Parkinson's, and diabetes. Welcome to the future of regenerative medicine, a field that's not just about healing, but transforming lives. Let's start with Parkinson's disease. This condition affects millions of people worldwide, causing motor dysfunction, tremors, and loss of movement control. It happens because certain brain cells, called dopamine-producing neurons, are damaged or destroyed. For years, researchers have tried to replace these lost cells. Early attempts used fetal brain tissue, but the results were inconsistent, and ethical concerns limited its use. Today, with advancements in induced pluripotent stem, iPS cells, and embryonic stem cells, we've made incredible progress. Clinical trials like those led by Blue Rock Therapeutics have shown that transplanting dopamine-producing neurons derived from stem cells can significantly improve motor function without the debilitating side effects of traditional drugs. It's life-changing. Now, let's turn to diabetes, a condition that affects over 400 million people globally. Type 1 diabetes occurs when the immune system destroys insulin-producing islet cells in the pancreas, leaving patients dependent on insulin injections. In 2014, researchers developed the first functional islet cells from stem cells. Today, Vertex Pharmaceuticals is leading groundbreaking trials using these cells to treat severe diabetes. In these trials, 9 out of 12 participants receiving the full dose no longer need insulin injections. For them, this therapy is nothing short of miraculous. The journey of stem cell research has been anything but smooth. Early techniques relied on fetal tissue, sparking ethical and political debates. These controversies slowed progress and divided public opinion. But the development of iPS cells derived from adult skin or blood cells has shifted the landscape. These cells eliminate ethical concerns and reduce the risk of immune rejection, allowing for more personalized therapies. Today, with over 100 trials underway, researchers are exploring how to use stem cells safely and effectively while addressing ethical and technical challenges. Stem cell therapy isn't just limited to the brain and pancreas. Researchers are tackling some of medicine's most challenging problems, like repairing damaged heart tissue. Generating heart muscle cells from stem cells is a massive scientific leap. Though heart treatments are still in the experimental phase, they offer hope for the millions living with heart failure worldwide. And what about vision? In clinical trials for age-related macular degeneration, stem cells have helped repair retinal damage, restoring sight to some patients. The possibilities are endless. With breakthroughs in Parkinson's, diabetes, epilepsy, and even heart failure, stem cells are reshaping the future of medicine. These therapies could become a standard part of healthcare in the next 5 to 10 years. It's not just about curing diseases, it's about giving people their lives back, one breakthrough at a time. Thank you for watching. If you're inspired by these medical advancements, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us as we explore more groundbreaking stories shaping our world.